2004 Lexus IS 300. I used to have one of these, same color too. Really nice cars. It's got two catalytic converters right off the manifold. There's one there and one up there. Then it was into a single. Then it's got a third converter here. And still got its factory resonator or mid muffler. Then what we did is a muffler delete. Right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these, boys and girls. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Into a 4-inch tip that we'll have a link in the description for, hopefully. It's a Lexus IS 300, 2004. There it is. That's the muffler delete. And the original muffler is right there. So we took it off. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
Sounds better than it was coming right off the resonator.
Yeah. It's a lot deeper. Now you gotta do the resonator next. Sound decibels, go ahead.
I can get in there and I'll redline it.
We will, once you back it out here, we'll do that. But we don't do it when people's cars, you know. We let the customers do it. You see right there, we had the other customer earlier today did circles in the parking lot, in the middle of the road.
But my car has an open differential.
Yeah, that was a Camaro. It doesn't sound too bad, man. I like it. It's nice and deep.
I'm getting a mid pipe.
Let you guys hear it next. Lexus IS. Go ahead. Much better. But that's the customer doing it, not us. It sounds a lot better, bro. All right, get on it. Appreciate it, man. Have a great day. IS 300. He said he'll get on it. Hopefully he won't disappoint. That tip fits it perfectly. Sorry, it's a little windy, guys, today. We're gonna true dual that.